Firstly, let me start off by saying, ensure that you and your loved ones are being safe, you're prepared, and you're leaving areas that are prone to flooding. Firstly, now let me get into it. The currently category 5 Hurricane Melissa is bearing down the back of Jamaica. And in these stressful times is when you know to observe and get the true sense of a man, an entity, and a government. Why is it that it's only when you have a major hurricane or any hurricane at all bearing down the back of our country does the government of our country deem it fit to clean and clear gullies? Mind you, when I say government, I'm not speaking about a specific individual, a specific party. I'm talking about the entire situation. Whoever you know is responsible for that specific gully that you think I'm talking about, that's who I'm talking about. You're a part of the government. Good? Good. And the Bay Gully. When you look on the videos, you can tell that that gully has not been cleared or properly cleared in what seems to be years. Right? St. John's Road. Why is it that it's only when a whip, metaphorically speaking, is over our backs does our government and our people, because our people is who make up our government, seem to act? This does not concern you, because it concerns me. These gullies or roads or infrastructure does not only need to be built, they need to be maintained, and our government should be able to identify this. That maintenance should not be a one-off every 10 years. Maintenance is something that is done regularly. Jamaica is prone to heavy rainfalls. So the sensible thing to do is maintain the gullies that are responsible for getting the water out of the major cities into the ocean to avoid or reduce flooding. But yet, again, these gullies are not being maintained. Why is that? Again, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Please do not come in my comment section talking about who wanna think of do something. Talk about what is happening. And don't talk about I know this a person responsible for it. I'm talking about the entire system. Calm down, please. But yeah, like, comment and share. I wanna hear from you.